Hi everyone, in front of me I've got XIAOMI 14T Pro, and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Currently we are on the video mode, but basically the mode does not matter. All we have to do is to open the settings. We can do it just by tapping on this arrow or swiping our finger from the top to the center. Now we have to open the settings. However, I almost forgot to draw your attention to the grid lines. As you can see, I've got applied. I applied the grid lines before I started the recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work. So basically, they should disappear after resetting. So as I said, let's open the settings, which are in the right upper corner. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find Restore Default Settings and tap on OK. The camera settings flashed a little bit, so now we can go back to check. And as you can see, right here we've got the very first evidence because our device is asking us about the access to the location for the camera. The second evidence because we have to select a style in which we will take photos, and the third and final evidence, we do not have the grid lines applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.